Hi Dresser Cuties, Whitney here. Today we're drawing Mabel Tanaka from Hoppers. So let's get started. To draw cute Mabel, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now with her eyes in, let's spruce them up a little bit right here on the sides. I'm just going to darken this point right here. And same thing over here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve, go up, and cap it off. And then we need to draw her brow, and I'm only going to draw this side for now. So let's go up above her eye and about right here, just a very slight angle, and then come down. And then we're going to thicken it up so they're pretty thick. And then come down. And then just go ahead and shade this all in right there. And then let's go ahead and frame her face before we draw the other brow. So I'm going to come, let's see here, right about here, come out a little bit where the lashes, and about right here. And then we're going to go ahead and draw the bottom of a U. Go all the way around, nice and round. About right here, and then go up on the other side. There. So create this nice bottom of a U, and I'm going to bring this up a tiny bit more. And so now that I have that, let's bring this up a little bit more as well. And then we need to come in. So let's say about right here, her hair parts. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down to connect that part right there. And then right here, we're going to draw her bangs. So we're going to come down really low, say about right here. And then we're going to zigzag a little bit. Maybe one more time and out. Then whatever space you have left, just finish it off. And then in this area, let's see, we should have enough a little bit of room just to see part of her other brow. There, so I just put a little indication of it. So I guess this part will be all dark. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's bring this up. And we're just going to curve 3 times. 2, and then 1 more. And bring it down. So put in a little curve right here for some details. And then for her ear, let's come right about here. We're going to draw a curve and then just tuck in her ear. Part of her ear right there. And then same thing on the other side. This side, let's change it up. Let's just put in a little strand of hair. And then whatever parts left, just tuck in her ear. Okay, so then from there we need to draw the rest of her hair. So let's say about right in this space. I'm going to give myself a point. Her hair part's about right there. We're going to go up and let's just start to curve. So we're going to draw a bunch of these thick strands. So let's say about there, then let's come down. We'll go this way, and then we're going to start to come around just so that we can tuck everything in. So stop right there, and then this side we're going to come down and do the same thing. Maybe this one goes in. Another one here. Let's stop right there because we still need to draw her collar. So then from there, let's see here. Maybe just have some detail, finish this part off. And then let's go ahead and give her a little neck right here in the center. So right about here, we're going to curve out there. And then her jacket, so let's come down with a curve on both sides. And then right about here, we're just going to draw a curve for her shirt inside. And then we need to come out about right here and draw her jacket collar. So same thing here. And bring it in. And then let's see. Oh no, you know what? I think I made it a little too high, right? That's kind of weird. Okay, so I think we need to cut it off. Say about right here. That's why it looked really weird. Okay, let's see here. So about, sorry about that. About right there. Okay, so then now we can bring this down. And let me come in there really quickly to white it out so that this is not confusing. It's like, why is our collar so big? There, okay, much better. So then now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to keep bringing this down. So we're going to start parting it out. And then right about here, we're going to draw her shoulder. There, so about right there. And then let's come about right here and we're going to come down on both sides. So let's keep going. And let's say about right there, we'll stop. And we're going to come right about here and round it off and go in. Round this part off. And then we're going to put in a little cuff to the bottom of her jacket. And same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have that basic shape in, we can come about, let's see where her shirt, so let's say about right here. We're going to cut it off, and then we're going to come straight down a little bit about right here. Just going to give yourself an angle line, and then this is where you can start her pants. So let's come right here and here. Just come in, and then we just draw her jeans. So I'm just going to bring this down. And same thing over here. So I think they're not very tapered. So I'm just going to kind of go down straight, and then about right there, I'm going to cut it off because there's a little cuff. So stop and then draw the cuff. So same thing here. about right there, and then her little part of her ankle is going to show, and then her shoes. So I'm going to cut it off, and then right about here, just curve out and connect. So then for some details, just a little curve for the sole and a curve for a very simplified shoe. And then same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so now that her shoes are done, let's go ahead and draw her sleeves. So I'm going to come down, curve it down, and as I come down, I'm just going to wobble a little bit. I want her hands to be about right here. So let's come down and say about right here. I'm going to bring it in. Use the jacket, the side of the jacket, and then just connect it. Give it a little cuff, and then the fingers. Curve for the thumb and the fingers, and put a little detail right there. So same thing on the other side. Just curve it down, and as you come about right here, just kind of wobble a little bit, and same thing, connect, little cuff, and the fingers. There. And then we have some, finish her off her hair. So let's come here and just kind of tuck it in. Okay, so now that we have all that, let's go ahead and draw some details. So we're going to put in a pocket right here on her jacket. Another one right across. And then there's this little rectangular tab right here as well. And let's see, there's a little bit of detail right here. Some pockets. And she has this torn part in her jeans, so we're just going to zigzag. Little tear right here. And let's see if I'm missing anything. And then when you're coloring on her face, you just put a bunch of little dots right here for some cute freckles. And I'll just add a little heart right here in the center to make this my Draw So Cute Mabel Tanaka from Hoppers. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.